morning, students. I am Sonam Jain here. Today I am going to teach you chapter 8, that is flying high. In this chapter we will discuss about different types of birds. Now let's start our chapter. Yes, on my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Now students, you have to tell me I am discussing about which word? Yes, answer is peacock. Fine. See, now come to the next. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sift. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. Yes. See which bird having grooved tail? See, answer is eagle. Yes. Now come to next bird. My feathers are green. My beak's red. Guava and green chili I am fed. Fine. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Fine. We are discussing about this which word? Fine. Answer is parrot. Fine. Next is black are my feathers and black is my, see here the bird is saying the black are my feathers and black is my tail, and cuckoo I do all day long. Find which word saying cuckoo? Crow. See here peacock. See here the picture of peacock. Peacock having crest. Fine. On its head. Fine. See, now see the bird eagle. See eagle having grooved tail. See here the grooved tail of eagle. Now come to next. Cuckoo is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. Now students, you have to tell me the name of bird which make a cuckoo sound. Which makes a cuckoo sound. Answer is cuckoo. Dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash sky I fly. Vulture is what I am called. Fine. See this, see the bird cuckoo. See the eye of cuckoo. Fine. See, and now see the bird vulture. See vulture having blade hat, and see the body of vulture. Fine. Now come to next. My beak is pink, feathers grey. Goo I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. Answer is pigeon. See, pigeon make a houses in a home. Fine. And its beak is pink in color and its feathers are grey. Next is my beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The dash bird is how I am known. Fine. Which bird stitches leaves? Fine. And making a home? Tailor bird. Answer is tailor bird. Next is in trunk of trees holes I make. Hidden insects I intake. Tuk 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 I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. See, the woodpecker makes a tuk tuk sound all day. Fine. And it eats hidden insects in the trunk of trees. Fine. Okay. Woodpecker makes a hole in the trunk of tree. Now see the picture of pigeon. See pigeon having the grey feathers and pink color beak. Fine. Now see here the picture of woodpecker. See the woodpecker having red color crest. Fine. And see woodpecker making a hole in the tree trunk. Fine. In the trunk of tree, woodpecker making a hole. And now see this picture. This picture is of tailor bird. See, tailor bird stitches the leaves of the tree. Fine. And that's why it is known as tailor bird. Fine. Now come to the next slide. Now, why, see this owl is saying, why there is so much noise in the jungle? I just can't sleep. Fine. Why the owl is saying like that? Because owl sleeps in the day. Yes, owl sleeps in the day. Fine. And it awake for the whole night. See, this bird is saying, dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Fine. See, birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Fine. See the owl. See owl. See owl awake for the whole night. Fine. It sleeps in the daytime. Fine. And see this bird. See this bird having the red color. Okay, in the at the below of eye also red color is there. See here. Fine. And the below bottom of the tail also red color is there. The owl said, stop this halla bolo. Why are you quarreling? We are all special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different. Yet we are all birds. If we all look alike, ate the same food and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. Fine. See what the owl is saying. See, we all are different. Fine. We are all having the different eating pattern. We all want to eat different kind of food. Fine. See, we all are different. Which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. Fine. Peacock, parrot, cuckoo. See, you have to write down the name of birds which you have seen in the lesson. Eagle. See, eagle also. Crow, pigeon. See, next is owl. And the last one is vulture. Fine. These words we have seen in the chapter, we have discussed in the chapter. Now go outside and look for birds on trees, in water, on the ground, in and around bushes. How many birds could you see? See in the here I have mentioned these following words: peacock, crow, duck, pigeon, hen, ostrich. Fine. Fine. You have to mark the tick where you have seen these birds. See, peacock you have seen, I hope you have seen on the ground. Fine. And it's not a flying bird. Fine. Come to next. Crow you have seen on the tree and it's a flying bird. Duck you have seen in the water and it's not a flying bird. Pigeon you have seen on the tree and in the house and it's a flying bird. Hen you have seen on the ground and it's not a flying bird. Ostrich you have seen on the ground and it's not a flying bird. Fine. Now come to next. Have you ever noticed that different birds have different types of beaks? Yes. Now see here the picture of birds and identify the birds. Fine. By their beaks. See, the first picture is of, fine, This bird having the hooked beak. Fine. Parrot. Parrot having the hooked beak. Fine. See, come to the next bird. Crow. This is a crow, and this one is, third one is peacock. Fine. This is peacock. Now come to the next. See, this is a eagle, and this one is crane. Fine. Now in the blank space you have to draw a picture, fine, of a bird with the beak, and you have to color it, and after coloring you have to write the name also. See, here I have drawn tailor bird. Fine. See here the tailor bird I have drawn. Fine. Now come to next. Feathers. There are different types of feathers: body feather, down feathers, and flight feathers. Other than birds, which are other animals that can fly? Butterfly, mosquitoes, bat, flying snake, honey bees, housefly. Fine. These are the animals other than birds. Sorry, these animals can fly. If you could fly like a bird, where would you like to go? What else would you do? If I could fly like a bird, then I would like to travel all around the world. I would like to race with other birds. What would happen if birds could not fly but only walk on their feet? Fine. What would happen? If birds could not fly, they would not be able to enjoy flying high. They would have, similar to other land animals, they would not able to save themselves. Now see here, the pattern is showing. Yes, you have to make a picture of bird like this. You have to follow this pattern. Fine. Now features of birds. Yes, first is birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. Next is they have feet and claws. They have feet and claws. Next is they do not have teeth, instead have beak which is used to tear, bite, chisel, crush or chew their food. And next is, that is very important, birds have streamlined bodies which help them to fly. Thank you. Have a nice day.